Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm featuring a Pontiac. Let's get started. Thanks for staying with me. Today I'm featuring a 1974 Pontiac Grand Am. Oh my goodness, this car caught my eye and I just had to feature it on this channel. I'd like to thank the owner of this special vehicle for allowing Dream to have to feature it today. Let's grow together by like, share, and subscribing to this channel. Dream to have would like to know if you like this ruby red color on this vehicle. If so, leave me a comment below. At the end of this video, I'll show you the engine compartment, which is impressive. Check out the restored black leather interior in this vehicle. Check out this engine compartment. Wow, it's so clean. Dream to have would like to say, treat each person as you want to be treated, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Keep pushing forward.